Yeah, there's one on the roof close to us.
Those birds were next to me, but I don't know if I set them off.
There, you did. There was a.
Okay.
There's only 3 in the compound I just scanned.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm being shot.
Shit! I stopped for a second too long. I'll take the res. If you have
Alrighty.
necro.
I do.
They're pushing me.
Okay, I'm rising.
Give me cover fire.
He's up here somewhere.
I just had an arrow go by me.
No tag. And this window here had somebody in it as well.
Interesting, but good.
You have any
Well, I'm
seconds
glad
left?
to hear it's been
Yeah, I
good
got
at
one.
least.
He's in the hole.
This week has definitely been wild.